Hello everyone, welcome to my video. I am Emre and I am one of the Binance Global affiliates. Today I am going to show you how to trade bStock shares, which are essentially tokenized shares like Intel. Before we do anything else, we need to open a Binance Global account. While you are opening this account, you can use one of these codes. My strongest codes for leverage trades are FUTURESMAX, and besides that, BESTCODEMAX. All these codes serve the same function. I just named one FUTURESMAX and the other BESTCODEMAX for keywords, so they are easily accessible by searchers. These codes are the same, like 22 or 26 BESTCODE. They give a 20% rebate on spot trades and on leverage. You can receive a 10% commission rebate. And right now, with the periodic task-based bonuses, you can register for Binance Global with a 19,800 USD bonus advantage. Now, if you like, let's see step by step how to trade Intel bStock shares on Binance Global together. Yes, friends, how do you trade tokenized Intel shares on Binance Global? I'm going to show you this in a few simple steps. You need to do KYC account verification for the security of your account and in line with regulations, so that you can trade in a compliant manner. How to finish KYC? Here, using your ID, passport, driver's license, or residence card. Within 30 seconds, by submitting the necessary documents to Binance Global using your phone, you can complete your KYC verification, friends. In the next step, we need to deposit money into Binance Global. Here we click on the Add Money section, which is yellow. From here, you can select the deposit method that is most convenient for you. From here, you can select your country and currency. I'll show it with US dollars, but if the region you are in is compliant with regulations, that is, if you can trade on Binance due to regulations, you won't get a warning. But if you are in a country where you cannot conduct business or trade, the system will warn you automatically. Now let me show you all together how to deposit stable money. I say buy with US dollars. On this screen, there is a Pay With section. Here I will select Visa or MasterCard. I have confirmed. Here we need to purchase a stablecoin. You can buy either USDC or USDT. I will show you how to buy USDT here now. Look, there is also USDC here. There are other options too. I am choosing the $1,000 one from here. After selecting the $1,000 amount, there is a preview order button here. After you click that, if you follow the required steps, and you've deposited money into Binance Global. Now, for our $1,000, we have received sufficient USDT, which is our tether. Let's see how I will buy Intel shares, tokenized Intel shares. First of all, on this screen, there is a market section below, as you can see. I click there. In the market section, look, there are cryptos here, alpha, prediction. I select trade file from here. I click bStock. Here, tokenized, shares have appeared. I am selecting Intel from here. As you can see here, the chart has appeared directly in front of me. There are buy and sell on the bottom right, as you can see. You can see the status of Intel tokenized shares by clicking on the info section here. I click buy here. The red ones on the right are sell orders, and the green ones are buy orders. The middle one, the current value of Intel tokenized stocks, is shown, friends. When buying, we do this. You can choose one of the second rows from the reds on the right from the bottom. Let's write $1,000 here. When you click buy, your trade executes. When selling, let's click on the sell section. This time, the green below the current price. Let's click on one of the second rows from the orders. After that, here, the amount we want to sell, Intel bStock share value, and click sell. That's how simple and easy it is to trade Intel tokenized shares on Binance Global, friends. Yes, friends, trading tokenized Intel shares on Binance Global was just that simple and easy. Before ending the video, my advice to you is please do your own research yourself when entering a crypto or stock. And apart from that, please visit the Academy pages of Binance Global. On these pages, FUD, FOMO, graph reading, and investment strategies that experts have visualized and recorded as videos. There are tremendous videos. Please examine these. I will see you in other videos. Best regards, Emre.